Alright, so today's product is something that I bought for our back door. This company did not send this to me. I purchased this myself to create a video. This is a magnetic curtain rod, and basically these little pieces are magnetic. They of course attach to the poles, and you're able to put it on your door without drilling through metal or making any holes. Let's take this out of the box, and so let me show you what this looks like all set up. Alright, so this is the 4 end pieces. So you can just take one of these and then you can just magnetize it to your door. And then of course, well, this one would go over here. And then of course you can just put your curtain on the rod and fix it, and it'll look like this. And so just so you know, one of these is slightly different. So see, that one is just a circle, and this one's like a little circle with lines in it. They're each like that. And the bar is of course adjustable, so you can fit your window. And so there we go. They're easily magnetized on, adjustable. Love it. These are our magnetic curtain rods. Perfect for your front or back door. These things are amazing. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.